Alright guys, as I was talking about a bulb yesterday, earlier on this video, here I have a bulb for um, brake light, either one will have the same bulb. Bulb number is 2357LL. It doesn't matter what brand you will get, but that's the serial number 2357. So if you look for a bulb 2357, you will find it anywhere at AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, anywhere that you can find this bulb, you can do that. So here we're gonna progress the remaining portion that we were left over earlier. Still, I'm gonna do it again. You will take the wrench 10, as you can see, the equipments that you need. Twist it. Oh, since it was loose from earlier, take it out. Alright, once again, be careful with the bolts. Do not lose him. If you lose him here, you have to take out the whole carpet. Alright, then rubber wire, take it out, unplug it. Once again, unplug this portion. Alright, same thing again. Push this out. You see? I push this out. Came outside. Alright. Take it apart. Put it in a safe spot. Once again, twist this out. You heard the click. You see the bulb? Alright. What I'm gonna do, once again, I'm gonna completely blurred out. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna take the light from the other side, put it back in. Alright, before I plug it in, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it over here. So since the car is not running, it's not going to turn on.